Finding your W-2 form in QuickBooks Online is essential for employees and employers during tax season. Here's how to access your W-2. Log into QuickBooks Online. Open your web browser and log into your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the Payroll section. From the left-hand menu, click on Payroll. If you don't see it, ensure you have the Payroll feature enabled in your QuickBooks Online subscription. Access Employees section. In the Payroll menu, click on Employees to view a list of your employees and payroll information. Locate the W-2 forms. Look for the Year-End Form section. Here, you should find options for W-2 forms for the current tax year. Click on W-2s to view all available forms. Download or print your W-2. Select the appropriate W-2 form to download or print. You may need to confirm your identity by answering security questions. Review the form for accuracy before printing or saving it for your records. Confirm availability. W-2 forms are typically available by the end of January each year, so ensure you check back if they are not immediately visible.